Good evening, everyone. I am Chin from Davao City. October 28, 2015, I provided help amounting to 38,500. And on the same day, I have additional provide help amounting to 74,800. So, my total provide help last October 28, 2015 is 113,300 pesos. Then, October 31, 2015, I was able to request for Get Help amounting to 115,500 pesos. I have additional 2,200 pesos. I would like to say thank you so much to all the participants that provides me assistance, and also thank you to Mr. Sergio Mavrudi for creating MMM. Long live MMM, together we change the world.